In this video we will go through the basics of function, including the different types of function. Functions are block of code that return specific result based on requirements. Function may or may not return a result. If they are returning a result, then we need to specify the return keyword with the values being returned. Once the function is created, it doesn't get executed itself as part of the program unless it is called specifically. Functions can be created with one or more parameters or without any parameters. The main advantage of using function is to help reuse the code by executing repeated tasks. Function also helps to segregate the code based on a particular functionality, such as adding numbers can be a separate function, and subtracting numbers can be a separate function. Segregation helps to improve the readability of the code. Debugging the code is easier because we know what functionality is having issue and where the complete set of code is located. Types of functions in Python. There are basically two types of functions in Python. First is the system-defined functions. These functions are the pre-built functions which is present by default in Python. We have covered a lot of the inbuilt functions such as addition, subtraction and others as part of the operators section. For example, to find the absolute value of an integer using ABS inbuilt function. Second is the user-defined functions. If there are certain business logic that needs to be executed repetitively, then it's good to segregate function, create to perform a repetitive business logic. For example, to create a function to add 3 numbers and return the result. This is an example of user-defined function. In the next video we will see how to create a basic function in Python.